Do you want to boost your website's rankings? Ever wondered how technical SEO could help you achieve this? Well, let's demystify this today. Technical SEO, an integral part of the SEO trifecta alongside on-page and off-page SEO, optimizes your website for the crawling and indexing phase. It ensures search engines can understand and explore your site effortlessly, which can significantly amplify your rankings. So, are you ready to delve into this fascinating world? Let's dive into the world of technical SEO and uncover its potential. To master SEO, you need to understand its three main aspects: technical, on-page, and off-page SEO. Imagine these three as the pillars holding up your website's visibility in the vast digital landscape. Technical SEO ensures your website is compatible with search engine guidelines. On-page SEO optimizes the content and HTML source code of a page, while off-page SEO focuses on external factors like backlinks. Mastering all three is key to a well-rounded SEO strategy. Now that we've understood the three pillars of SEO, let's perform a technical SEO audit. A technical SEO audit is the first step towards enhancing your website's visibility. This process involves a comprehensive examination of your website's inner workings, a bit like a health checkup for your site. It's all about identifying and rectifying SEO problems to boost your rankings. Start by checking your site's crawlability. This ensures search engines can easily navigate and understand the content. Next, examine your XML sitemap. It functions as a roadmap for search engines, aiding them in locating crucial pages on your site. Don't overlook your website's speed. Remember, faster is always better. A sluggish site can deter visitors and negatively impact your SEO ranking. Also, ensure that your website is mobile-friendly. As more people browse the net on their phones, mobile optimization is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Lastly, analyze your site's meta tags and meta descriptions. They play a vital role in attracting users and improving click-through rates. Successfully conducted an SEO audit? Great. Let's move on to boosting crawlability and indexability. Improving your website's crawlability and indexability is key to getting noticed by search engines. Crawlability refers to the ability of search engines to access and navigate your website. On the other hand, indexability is the likelihood of your pages being added into search engine databases. Boosting these involves creating clear navigation with a well-structured sitemap and using a robots.txt file to guide search engine bots. So, ensure you're not blocking important pages. With enhanced crawlability and indexability, let's focus on renderability and rankability next. Renderability and rankability are two critical factors that influence your website's SEO performance. Let's dive into them. Renderability refers to how well a search engine can read your website. Having a mobile-optimized website is key here. With more than half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Then we have page speed improvements. Users dislike waiting for a page to load, and so do search engines. Enhancing your page speed can dramatically improve your website's renderability. Finally, let's talk about structured data. This is the behind-the-scenes code that helps search engines understand your content. By adding structured data to your website, you can enhance your site's rankability, helping it appear in relevant search results. Now that we've covered renderability and rankability, let's maximize clickability and conversion. Clickability and conversion are the end goals of any SEO strategy. Let's delve into how you can maximize these two crucial aspects. First up, meta titles and descriptions. These are your first impressions in the search results, so make them count. An engaging meta title should grab the searcher's attention, while the meta description should provide a succinct summary of the page content. Use power words to evoke emotions, numbers to catch the eye, and questions to pique curiosity. Keep the title under 60 characters and the description under 160 to avoid truncation in search results. Next, let's talk about user-friendly URLs. A well-structured URL is not just for aesthetics, it's a sneak peek into what the page is all about. It should be easy to read, understand, and remember. Use lowercase letters, hyphens to separate words, and include keywords relevant to the page content. Avoid using special characters or numbers that don't add value. Now, onto call to action buttons. These are your conversion drivers. They guide visitors to take the desired action, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, downloading a guide, or making a purchase. Make your call to action button stand out. Use compelling action words and create a sense of urgency. Keep the message clear and concise. Remember, the key to maximizing clickability and conversion lies in understanding your users. Know what they want, what they're searching for, and how they browse. Tailor your meta titles, descriptions, URLs, and call to action buttons to their needs and preferences. By focusing on these elements, you're not just improving your site's visibility in search engines, but also enhancing the user experience. And when users have a positive experience, they're more likely to click, engage, and convert. In conclusion, clickability and conversion don't just happen. They're the result of careful planning, strategic decisions, and constant optimization. By mastering technical SEO, you can significantly boost your website's rankings and conversion rates. Mastering technical SEO is no longer a daunting task, right? Remember, it's about auditing, boosting crawlability, enhancing renderability, and maximizing clickability. In the ever-evolving world of SEO, continuous learning is key. Embark on your SEO journey today and watch your website climb up the rankings.